Hey there, folks. I think something's wrong. For miles and miles, these cows are lined up, single file, and not moving. They are not moving, y'all. If you look out in the distance, they're all lined up single file and not moving. What is going on?
There is something very, very odd going on in the world right now. There is a strange phenomena happening all over the world, and scientists are completely baffled. There is no explanation for it. Animals and even insects of differing species are seen walking in circles for days and days. From reindeer to ants, these videos continue to pop up all over social media. But what could this mean? Is this a warning that something bad is about to happen? Some animals can detect forms of energy invisible to humans, like magnetic and electrical fields. Others see light and hear sounds well outside the range of human perception. Animals react to environmental signals that come when weather changes. For example, extreme weather events like hurricanes cause large decreases in air and water pressure. Many animals can quickly sense these changes and will often behave strangely, flee, or hide for safety. However, considering that this is happening on a worldwide scale, something deeper could potentially be the cause. Could this just be a way of warning us that the end is near?